Hey guys, it's Richard Close. What up, boys? My channel name is TeenWithATopHat. You guys go check it out. I'm not wearing a top hat. Sorry about that. But
who are you with?
I am with my friend Chris, without a YouTube name because he doesn't actually have a YouTube channel. So.
And what are y'all making today?
What are we making? I think we're making some water in a bowl. It's hot chocolate.
Alright, so let's get to it. And that hot chocolate, the water is very hot. We already boiled it. And how do you make the hot chocolate?
Well, first you gotta take out the spoon, and you gotta rub it in the package and get all its bloody guts out. Yes! Spill out. Spill it out. Spill it out. Spill it out. Okay. That's really what I got. Okay. Yes.
You gonna help him make the other one?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go over there and go? Yep. I'll come this way.
There we go. Alright, then we just add like a million marshmallows.
Well, no. Let him make his stuff. No.
Okay, I just want to.
Yeah. You're cheating.
Yeah, I just want some more marshmallows.
There we go. Alright, now what do you do next? You pour in what?
The water.
Alright.
Oh. Okay.
Here.
Up. Oh. Mama, what the Bulbasaur? Stop!
Okay. You don't want to pour it all the way to the rim. You
I
lose
don't know, but I'm not touching the cap.
You lose room for marshmallows.
Okay.
Luckily, he already added his.
And I'm actually going to add some more. And a little more.
And then you stir it up. See, Richard didn't stir his, so he's got powder all in the bottom of his already.
Just adding a little more.
Yeah, you're going to have a hard time stirring that up to mix your hot chocolate before you...
Especially you were going to have a hard time stirring it up before he even added the marshmallows.
Dude. Why did you
Stir it up, Richie. Stir it up.
I did the bottom instead of just like poking the top.
There you go.
If I go to the bottom, it will all come out, dude.
And then
Here,
once you
can pour
stir
some
it
into my
up,
cup.
then you can put marshmallows in.
Oh.
I already add some.
Repeat the process then. Here, pour some into my cup. Then it'll be less full.
Hey, let's. Oh, no, man, I'm taking
gosh.
all the chocolate, dude. All the hot chocolate. Oh, yeah.
Here.
Can't risk
Let me
losing them
help you.
marshmallows, you know?
You know, he kind of went overboard on the hot chocolate.
Well,
And the marshmallows, for that matter.
So I'm gonna blame everything on you because
He's
That's
right.
because you're
You
my
did
scapegoat.
go overboard just a little bit.
yeah. So I'm gonna use you as my scapegoat. So
And if you want to cool it down some so you can drink it, there's some milk that you can pour into if you'd like.
Although, I don't think Richie has that option.
Nope, I don't think so.
but you know,
See-
Chris, I'm just saying. I think it's actually Billy because
Chris did good. Chris did good.
Because you're my scapegoat.
Oh, shh.
Okay, sorry. I didn't know.
All right.
Very
So how do you guys like your hot chocolate?
I think this isn't edible because it's too hot.
And that's why you don't fill it all the way, so you can add milk to cool it down and make it creamier.
That's right. Ding, ding, ding.
Marshmallows are dissolving.
Yeah, but I'll get the full flavor of the. Dude, they are just. Dude, mine are already practically gone, dude. They melted, dude. These are like remains of marshmallows, dude. Like.
You're saying dude a lot.
Yeah, I said that. I don't know. This is something. What did I say?
All right, shall we wrap up
Dude,
this
the
video?
marshmallows turned into bubbles.
Yes, they did.
Dude,
All right, do I get a thumbs up? Do we get a thumbs up for the hot chocolate?
like the
Richard
video,
over
thumbs
here
up.
in the video
Like
screen.
The video, thumbs up.
There we go.
Hit that subscribe button too, boy. Hit it, hit it. You see that big red button? Hit it. Thank you. Yeah.
All right, peace out.
That's it. I would drink it too, but I'm just imagining drinking that steaming, boiling hot thing, probably lava in there.